In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Trello board public. This is a simple process, but it's important to go through each step carefully to ensure your board is visible to everyone you want it to be. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by going to Trello.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply click the link if you have it handy. Once the Trello homepage loads, you're going to look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Now the great thing about Trello is that you can log in using your email, or if you prefer through your Google account. Just pick whichever method you find easiest or are most comfortable with and proceed to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Trello home dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Boards, which you can find either on the left hand side of your screen or within the menu, depending on the device you are using. Clicking Boards will bring up a list of all the boards associated with your account. Next, you're going to need to select the specific workspace that your board is part of. If you're in multiple workspaces, make sure you're selecting the right one. After selecting your workspace, once again click on Boards to see the boards that you have access to within that particular workspace. Now with your workspace selected, we move on to setting the board's visibility. To do this, you must click on Workspace Settings. This option is generally located in the drop-down menu or on the main page depending on your Trello layout options, but can sometimes be a little tricky to find, so look around if needed. In Workspace Settings, you'll see a section labelled Workspace Visibility. This is where the magic happens. Click on Change to modify the visibility settings of your board. It's crucial to note that adjusting visibility is a permission-based action, which means that you need to have the necessary permissions or admin rights to make these changes. Once you've clicked on Change, a few options will pop up. Here you'll want to select Public. What this does is make your board publicly accessible, meaning anyone with the link can view its content. This is perfect for when you're looking to share project details with partners, clients, or the general public. Finally, to complete the process, simply close the menu. Ensuring the menu is closed ensures all your changes have been saved correctly and takes you back to your workspace overview. And there you have it, all done. You've successfully changed your Trello board to a public setting. Be sure to double check your settings to confirm everything is in place as expected. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.